Buddies, so check what I have with me today. I am riding the Ducati Monster 821. Wow. Well, I've just done a short ride so far and now I'll be going further ahead. And Ducatis are a very special breed. You know, I love them. I love them for the kind of torque that they deliver. Before I start speaking about this motorcycle, let me tell you that this motorcycle has one of the best sounding stock exhaust. Yes, this is a stock exhaust, not an aftermarket one, but check out the way this motorcycle sounds. Alright, motorcycle cranked up. Check that out. It's even popping, you know, that, check this out. I love this exhaust note, man. Wow. Alright, let me get out of the motorcycle now. Here we go. First gear. Acceleration! The torque is just mind-blowing. The moment you cross about 5000 RPM, the torque just twists your neck on this motorcycle. God! It's not very refined. It's not supposed to be. Ducatis, they don't care. They don't care much about refinement or how smooth the motorcycle is. All that they care about is, well, only about one fact. That is, does this motorcycle kick your ass or not? And the answer is yes, this motorcycle truly kicks your ass when you open the throttle. Now this motorcycle has 3 riding modes. Let me show that to you. Here we go. It is right now in sport. It can be set on touring or it can be set for urban. Urban means urban city traffic. Touring, I don't have to explain, it's on the highway when you're touring, and it also has sport. Now, I like to keep it, of course, you already know the answer, in sport. So I just have to keep it pressed and it gets locked onto sport. Now, let me crank up the motorcycle and keep going. The exhaust note, baby, wow. Where's the red line? Let me check that. 9000 RPM is the red line on this motorcycle. Okay, let me go ahead. This is a wheelie machine. Oh my god. The front end just wants to pop a wheelie, man. So much of torque. God. This would be fun to launch from the traffic signal now. You know, when you have really nice accelerating motorcycles and if you are at a traffic signal, you get tempted to do a friendly drag race with others. And that is what I'm going to be doing now. Come on, baby. Signal. Come on. Ducati. And also this motorcycle is an attention magnet, as you already noticed that people love this motorcycle. They will ask. So if you are someone who likes to kind of gain attention, okay, so if you are someone who likes to gain attention, this red hot Ducati is going to get you a lot of attention. So how did I land up on this red hot Ducati? Well, you know what, I was thinking a few days ago, now which should be the next motorcycle that I ride and make a video for you all. I was thinking about it, and then I thought I did not ride the Ducati Monster yet. It is a motorcycle which should be ridden by motorcycle lovers. So what I did, I called a company named Royal Brothers. Alright, I'll put up the website link to this company in the description of this video. Do check it out. They are a motorcycle rental company, and they have, one second, it's a corner. Woo, woo. So they are a motorcycle rental company. They are not just in India, but another corner? Nah, I got too late. I wanted to take that corner. Let me get onto the ORR service road, then I'll talk more to you. While I was thinking about that, I realized that I did not ride the Ducati Monster. And how can it be that I don't ride the red hot Ducati Monster? So I was thinking how to get a Monster. Now my friends own this motorcycle. Then when I was thinking about how to get a Ducati, I realized that there is a company named Royal Brothers. And I gave them a call and I told them that I would like to ride a Ducati Monster. And they arranged it for me. And not just this, I have also struck a deal with them. That is, if any of you all, any of my subscribers want to rent a motorcycle from them, then they would give you a 10% discount. I have a coupon code in the description of this video. Do check it out. And well, happy riding. I wish there was an option of putting a small visor, a small windscreen on this motorcycle, because this motorcycle has a lot of power and can easily do speeds of 200 kilometers an hour. But the moment I'm crossing 140 or 150 kilometers an hour, the wind blast is so much that I'm unable to kind of hold on to the motorcycle. Let me do a speed run on the Ducati Monster. Thank you, Royal Brothers. Thank you for getting me this motorcycle. I'm having fun. I'm truly enjoying this. And Royal Brothers are not just in India, but you can also rent out motorcycles from them in Thailand. If my friend Zohar Ahmed rides this motorcycle, oh wow, he would love it, because he is really good in popping wheelies, and this motorcycle can pop awesome wheelies. Wow, the traction control is set to 2, and this is still popping the front wheel. Oh my god. Imagine if I can actually turn off the traction control, then what would happen? Holy mother. The exhaust on this motorcycle, we just cannot believe that this is a stock exhaust. Oh my god, I mean, it is beautiful. Let's hear it one more time. Wow, it's even popping. It's going pat 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 like an aftermarket exhaust. 63 seconds. God, I think I should just cut off the motorcycle, save some petrol, reduce pollution, save the planet. See, look at people. Everyone is turning around and taking a look at the Ducati Monster. Why wouldn't they? What a red hot motorcycle this is.